Good day, welcome to the Math Salon. I'm Dr. Mendem. We'll look at an advanced level question, paper 2 on trigonometry. So, given that cos of x plus root 3 sine x is equal to f of x, express f of x in the form r cos x minus gamma, where gamma is an acute angle lying between 0 and pi on 2. That's the meaning here. We can solve this problem in two ways, and I'll try to take you through both of them. So the first thing is we look at what we need, we have in hand. So we have cos x plus root 3 sine x, and we have to express it in this form with a cosine there. So one of the key things is I will try to introduce a trigonometry function that helps with that. So let me say that my root 3 is equal to tangent of gamma. Take the gamma because that's what I will need, and I will force tangent of gamma into that expression. That means I would say cos of x plus tangent of gamma sine of x, for example. From here, if I do this, if the tangent of gamma is equal to root 3, then I can also look for the sine of that and the cosine of gamma. Remember, in secondary school, we had something like that. If I took an equilateral triangle, side this is 60 degrees, that is 30, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. Then you can actually, get this information. This is root 3. So if the tangent of an angle is equal to root 3, it means the angle itself is 60 degrees. So it means gamma is equal to pi on 3. So the sine of pi on 3 then, sine of this is opposite of a hypotenuse. So that's root 3 on 2. The cosine of this adjacent of a hypotenuse. This is 1 on 2. So I can write this my expression as cos x plus, so I will change the tangent now into something in sine and cosines. Sine gamma sine x divided by cos gamma. I can combine these two together. So the lowest common multiple is cos gamma, because you can write this on 1. So this divided by this is cos gamma, and that gives me cos x cos gamma plus. Here it's just this divided by that is 1. 1 times that is that. This is sine gamma sine x. If you look at this identity properly, you would see, remember that this here is just the gamma, the angle that we expect there. So if we do that here, then I'm going to have here, this is just an expansion of cosine of x here. This is plus here, so it must be minus gamma divided by the cosine of gamma. But the cosine of gamma is half. So this is cos x minus gamma divided by half. If you divide by half, it means multiplying and inverting. And this is 2 cos x minus gamma is pi on 3. So it's done. So we have it in the form here, cos x and then gamma. Alternatively, we can also say, since we have to express cos x plus root 3 sine x as r cos x minus gamma, I can expand this side and then equate the corresponding terms. If I do that, then this is cosine of x plus root 3 sine x identical to, I would now do the reverse process. See, from here I recognize this. Now I want to take this and go back that way. So this is supposed to be r into brackets cosine of x cosine of gamma. Cos is always together, does not mix with sine, and when it's minus it becomes plus. The sine x sine gamma. If I open this, well, I'm going to have r here cosine of gamma. Just arrange it. This is a saloon. Just want to fix the hair to look nice. Plus r sine gamma sine x. Now it is trying to compare the terms. If I really have to compare these terms, it means that if I look at this and this, then this part here is like 1 here in front. So I can say 1 is equal to cosine gamma, cos gamma. And if I compare this and this, I see that root 3 is equal to r sine gamma. If you look at this two, if I square both of them and sum them up, the square of this would be 1 is equal to r squared cos squared gamma. If I square this, I get 3 is equal to r squared sine squared gamma. If I sum these two equations, then I get 1 plus 3 is 4. And this is equal to r squared cos squared gamma plus sine squared gamma. Because r is in both of them. But this is 1. We know this idea. This identity is 1. So this simply means 4 is equal to r squared. And r is equal to 2. So we've got the first one there, that's 2. Now we're left to get this angle. From this, I can divide these two equations. So if I call this 1 and I call this 2, I would divide equation 2 on 1. So 2 divided by 1 would be this on that. See what I mean? Eh? So that's root 3 divided by 1 is equal to r sine gamma all over r cos gamma. The r goes off. I have here root 3, and sine gamma over cosine gamma is the tangent of gamma. So if the tangent of gamma is root 3, it means gamma is equal to the tan inverse of root 3, and it's the same thing I already showed today, and that's equal to 60 degrees, which is pi on 3. So gamma is pi on 3. So now